Okay, we're in exercise 5-25. We're finishing up lesson 5 in week 3. There are additional exercises in this chapter to help you practice everything that you've learned. And I highly recommend that you do exercises 26 and 27 on your own, so that you can practice what you're doing and make sure you feel comfortable using all the modify commands. Before we close out lesson 5, I want to do a quick review of undo and redo. Remember, you've learned undo, redo, oops. I'm going to draw some lines, and notice you can use the different layers if you want to do different colors. So I'm going to draw some lines. And then I'm going to draw some circles. And then I'm going to draw some rectangles. Okay, and then notice in my undo, I can undo as far back as I want to go. I'm going to undo 2 of the rectangles, and then I'm going to type oops. Okay, notice didn't have anything to oops. I'm going to, oops is only used when you've erased or deleted something. So if I erase that, okay, and then I draw another line, okay, and I undo, okay, and then I redo, and then I type oops, whatever I erased will come back. That's in between the undo and the redo. All right, so that's it for doing undos, redos, oops, and you need to do exercise 5-26 and 5-27 on your own to see how well you've learned all the modify commands. Good luck.